Ya,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Group 8 and today we're going to present our final project for design thinking with the topic digital payment friction, bridging the gap, simplifying digital payment for cash user. This project is presented by Sarah Nadia, Keisha Faunia, and Miftah. Let's start with the background of the problem. Digital payments are designed to make life easier. They offer speed, convenience, and efficiency, but in reality, not everyone experiences these benefits the same way. In traditional market and rural areas, cash is still the most common method of payment, and it's not because people don't know about digital wallets, it's because they are afraid of making mistake, of losing their money, or simply because the technology feels confusing and unfamiliar. Many people also feel distrustful of e-wallet system, especially after hearing about fraud or scam in the news. This challenge is what we call digital payment friction. It includes psychological, technological, and emotional barriers that prevent people from transition from cash to digital payments. Our project aims to understand those barriers more deeply and design a solution that helps users feel safe and confident in making that transition. Next, to understand the problem better, we create an empathy map based on real feedback from cash users. This helps us step into their shoe and see the situation from their perspective. Uh, what do they feel and think? They often feel anxious and unsure. They say things like, I'm afraid of pressing the wrong button and losing my money. They worry about what happens if their phone breaks or if they make a mistake. Many feel confused by refund process and feel left behind by today's fast-moving tech. And what do they see? They they see app filled with too many confusing buttons. They notice younger people using e-wallets easily, making them feel even more disconnected. And they see digital promo poster but no real help on how to use the apps. What do they hear? They hear people say e-wallets are easy, just click here and there, or nobody use cash anymore. They also hear scary news about fraud or people losing money through digital scams. What do they do and say? They still prefer to pay in cash. They often ask their children or neighbors to help with the online transaction, and most of the time they avoid digital apps that feel too complicated. What frustrates them? They are afraid of sending money to the wrong person. They don't understand the steps in the app, and they feel that these apps just aren't designed with people like them in mind. But what do they truly want? They want a digital solution that feels just as simple and safe as using cash. They want to feel confident, not scared, and most of all, They want to be part of the digital world without feeling forced or rushed. Next. After deeply understanding our user feelings, we were able to define the core of the problem through a point of view statement. Our POV statement is cash users need a simple and trustworthy way to transition to digital payments because they are unfamiliar with e-wallets and fear making mistake or losing their money. This means that the main issues isn't about refusing technology, it's about not feeling safe or confident when using it. Many of these users want to try digital payments, but they feel overwhelmed and they worry they will lose control over their money. To guide us towards a meaning solution, we create a we question how might we help users overcome their fear of digital payments by providing an experience that is simple, secure, and feels as familiar as using physical cash. This question helps us focus our ideas not just on creating features but on creating trust and ease of use. In it encourages us to think about solutions that feel familiar and supportive instead of intimidating. Next.
Okay, and real defining our user needs, we use brainwriting and reinforce thinking to ideate inclusive, confidence-boosting solution. And there are three key ideas emerge. One, digital wallet kiosk key, like an ATM but for e-wallets. One, deposit cash into a wallet. Two, view balance and transaction history. Three, print receipt for peace of mind. Ideal for users less comfortable with smartphone. Two, visual and audio guide mode. Beginner-friendly mode in the app. One, large icons, high contrast. Two, step-by-step voice instruction. And three, simple language like tap here to pay. Text like a digital assistant reduce user anxiety. And the last is 10-second cancel button. A built-in safety net. Users have 10 seconds to cancel any transaction. This is for of making costly mistakes. Next. Okay, the next material is select solution and justification. We choose a concept hybrid solution is well kiosk plus get up mode. Why this combination works? Because one, bridge the gap. It connects familiar physical habits or cash handling with new digital tools and invest in market or community centers build trust and integrity. And second, support gradual learning. Its beginning mode offers step-by-step voice instruction and visual guidance, and reduce fear of making mistakes. And the last, reduce emotional friction. User biggest barrier, not touch but fear and confusion, and this solution builds confidence and a sense of control. For the inclusive impact, especially beneficial for senior citizens, rural users, and first-time digital adopters. Next. And this is a prototype design. For the image illustrated, this visual represents the hybrid solution that combines a physical kiosk key for direct interaction and a guide app mode for digital learning. The kiosk key built trust by mimicking a familiar cash-based interaction, while the app provides step-by-step assistance, enabling users to gain confidence and speed at their own pace.
Okay, next. is feedback and information plan. We conduct a simulation based of test using a low-faded version of the classic and beginner model interface on the table. The test looks at a total traditional market inflating 10 participants at 14 of above. Must be warm, hard, never was digital valid before. Each participant were asked to, but the first is stimulate topping their balance to causing. Second, a navigator to create mode of check balance and stimulate sending money. And the third is provide feedback on what feel conflict of strength. The upset how the infrared recording happens and X form is failing after the test. What feedback did he respect? The first is 8 of 10 users saying they feel more confident using the kiosk from than a mobile app alone. 6 users complete the text independently after one walking word. The third is many appreciation of voice introduction and large button. The first is, however, some feel usually about sending money without live support. The last is view in request and a participant model where they can explain without real transaction. How we plan to improve? Based of feedback, we plan to first add to demo model in the apps of participant without using real money. The second is including live video support that we cause to encode with a helper. The third is improve visual cue, like animation, raw, and color change of the earth steps. Okay, next is personal reflection. This project really changed how to IC design. At the first, I thought a problem was just about people not knowing how to use a wallet. But after talking to user and testing the idea, I realized more about fear and trust. Many people are against digital payment here, just sharing of money mistake or losing their money. They made me understand that good design making people feel safe and confident, not just adding more feature. The biggest lesson for me was we don't always need high-tech solution sometimes. Simple and familiar either work best like a chaos on cancel button. If I could do this again, I would include user inlers in the process to test idea before building anything. Overall, this project helped me see that design is really about people first than technology. The last is conclusion and development suggestion. To sum up, digital payment fraction is not just a technology problem, it's this people problem. We found that many users, especially older ones, are not rejecting digital payment. They just arrive to making mistake, losing money, or not understand how it works. Our solution, which combination the physical cost and coding about apps interface, give them way transition with more transition. But our work doesn't stop here. The next developer step is the first explain user testing different group like small business owner or user. The second is work with a wallet company to explore real world participant for playing testing. Okay, thank you. That's our presentation.